Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video and I'm excited because I'm bringing you guys a new brand. And what I like about this brand is I feel like they did something different. I feel like most brands, especially nowadays, start out with like an eyeshadow palette or a lip set or lip products or stuff like that. You don't really see brands, starting out with complexion products, especially bronzers, and especially 7 of them. So if you guys want to see what I'm talking about, then just stay tuned. So this brand actually reached out when I made that video a while ago where I swatched all my bronzers, and y'all saw that a lot of them just ended up looking like translucent setting powder on my face. So I've known that this was in the making for a while now. They finally sent over the product and they are sponsoring this video where I'm going to tell you guys about the brand. This is the package that I got in the mail here, and the name of the brand is Vesca Beauty, and this showing products never goes as smoothly as it should for me in videos. But these are their Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powders. Like I said, there are 7 of them. This retails for $30 each. And let me tell you guys about this bronzer. Introducing Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder, a velvety smooth bronzing powder delivering covetable sun-kissed warmth to face and body with a scent that will transport you to your dreamiest destination. Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder gives all skin tones a healthy glow with an ultra blendable formula that leaves a soft matte skin-like finish. Okay, so like I said, there are 7 of them. Okay, so there are brands that have been around since probably before I was born that are still rocking with like maybe 4 bronzer shades. They launched with 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all 7 for you because I am excited here. Okay, so this is the packaging. It just has the brand name there, and it's a little compact like this. So this is the first shade. It is called Kissed by Rio, and that is what that shade looks like. Next up is Kissed by Santorini, and that shade looks like this. And this is it swatched. Okay, what are you? This is Kissed by Diani. Looks like that there. And this is it. This is Kissed by Cabo. That's what this one looks like. And this is it swatched. All right, we've got Kissed by Bali. Okay. And here is it swatched. Okay, this is Kissed by Maldives. That's what this one looks like. And where is it? Oh, here is it swatched. Not sure if I actually did these in order of lightest to darkest. And I believe this is the last one, right? Yeah, Kissed by Tahiti, which looks like this. And here is that one swatched. Okay, so these are the 7 shades. Right now, the shades that I do get to show up on me are somewhere in the, my finger pointing, in the Maldives range, this shade right here. But I think I'm gonna use the Bali shade, which is this shade right here in today's video. So I could be, a little extra sun-kissed since it is darker than what I usually get to go with. This shade, Tahiti, the darkest shade, I feel like that'd be getting a little bit more into contour-ish type for my skin tone. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, Bali. Let me go ahead and get to the point where I can actually put the bronzer on my face though. All right, I've contoured my face. Now let's bring some warmth back into it. Again, I'm gonna use the Bali shade. Okay, I'm feeling very Jerry Seinfeld puffy shirt with this shirt on, but anyway, that is it for my face. Once again, here are the swatches of the 7 shades, and the shade that I used was Bali. Now y'all know, I like to stay in my lane in the medium coverage borderline full coverage there, but you can certainly build this up if you wanted to. I feel like some of these actually swatch better than certain eyeshadows that I've swatched before. They're certainly pigmented, so if you're about that, you know, y'all gonna see my bronzer and contour today life. You can certainly build up, and if you're not, you can certainly build down and you'll still be fine there. But okay, Vesca. Okay, I see you. We here. All right, I'm intrigued. You have my interest to see what you come out with moving forward. That's the energy that I need brands to move forward with in 2020. All right, give us complexion, give us bronzers, give us contours. Don't think just because some of y'all put out 40 shades like we're good here. All right, give us blush. Okay, give us concealers. That's what I need brands to focus on in 2020. We get it with the eyeshadow palettes. All right, so hopefully Vesca does also come out with more complexion products in the future, but okay. All right, I see you. So that is it for this video. If you guys have already heard about this brand, then, you know, I hope seeing me test this out has some of you intrigued or answered any questions that you might have. If you didn't, hopefully you are intrigued now to check it out. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.